Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of English. We are going to see the phrasal verbs using come. If you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to type your comment in the comment box. Let's begin. So first phrasal verb using come is come across. It means to find someone by chance or to give an impression. Okay. Sentence is, I came across an interesting article while browsing the internet. Okay, it is to find or see. Come up, its meaning is to occur or arise. Okay, sentence is, something important came up at work, so I cannot make it to the meeting. Next one is come up with. Okay, so its meaning is to think of or invent something new, like an idea or a solution. So the sentence using come up with could be, she came up with a brilliant idea for the project. Next one is come down with. It means to become ill with a particular illness. Its sentence is, he came down with a cold after his trip to the mountains. Next one is come in. Its meaning is to arrive or enter a place. Sentence is, the guests will come in shortly, so please be ready. Next one is come over. It is to visit somebody or to change in a particular way. Sentence is, why don't you come over for dinner tomorrow night? Okay, so next one is come out. Its meaning is to appear or be released, like a new book, movie, announcement, or something like that. So sentence would be, a new season of the shoes comes out next month. Next one is come through. Its meaning is to successfully complete or achieve something. Sentence is, he came through the surgery just fine and is already recovering. Okay, here the meaning uses to recover. Next one is come to. It means to regain consciousness or reach a conclusion. Sentence is, she fainted but came to after a few minutes. Next one is come along. It means to progress or improve or to accompany someone. Sentence would be, how's the project coming along? I hope you are making good progress. So today we have seen what are the phrasal verbs using come. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and also comment in the comment box. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.